Well, howdy do everyone on a Friday morning. 2 days in a row for me for a chat. We're breaking records all over the place, aren't we? Yes, we are. All right, so I'm checking the chat and I may be looking at myself with the stream open. No, Web Squadron is here. Oh, so glad to have somebody here today. Yes, I am. It was very lonely yesterday. So yeah, I was on yesterday. We had a little preview party for the Elementor, revealing more information about the dogs moving around, and that just makes my brain stop. Girlfriend, I already tested you. You went outside and you didn't do anything. Please lie down. She always gets excited when I start talking. So what were we talking about? We're talking about yesterday's little party I had before the question and answer session with Miriam Schwab. And so let me tell you something, y'all. She's probably watching this replay because her name's probably popping up on the internets because I'm saying Miriam Schwab. And thank you, Web Squadron. Thank you, Imran. Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're just wandering around the internet and you've just happened to find me. So yeah, yesterday we found out how much of a Wonder Woman that Miriam was. That was amazing. 7 children. And she runs a business. And now she works with Elementor. And her product's only going to get better. And 7 times and. Whoa. Yeah. When I realized that she had 7 children, I just had a vision of Wonder Woman in my brain because she can do anything. Have 7 children and run a business. Goodness gracious. So I'm very impressed. So yeah. With the question and answer, let's say this. At this moment in time, Stratic is not something I personally will use because I'm comfortable in my workflow. So as I've said before on other streams, cut the price in half and I might consider it as an option. Because, I mean, I understand that she's been looking for enterprise people, large companies who like WordPress and like the function of WordPress, but don't want the slowdown of all the processes that go into WordPress. I can get that. Totally understand it. So I am wanting to hope that in the future they make it a tool. Obviously, working with Elementor, I don't want to say dumb it down because that's not what I'm meant to say, but make it a tool, hoping in the advancement of technology that the tool becomes Jamstack is the next new thing and that everybody works on Jamstack to the point that Jamstack becomes something that all, brain had to slow down, that all web hosting providers can offer so that the price and the technology advances and the price comes down. So I'm hoping that it becomes just another option that all web hosting providers offer. Hello, I'm going to get my words out. Yeah, that it doesn't work with Woo, as Imran says. But I'm not an e-commerce gal, so that's not an option for me. I mean, I don't work with Woo. I don't work with e-commerce. I work with nonprofit, very small businesses, less than 5 pages or less. And I just want to help people get on the internet and get their information out there and, you know, sort of like an internet business card for people. It doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to put who they are, what they do, and what services they offer. And so, and put it in a pretty package that is pleasing to the eyes. So that's what I do. So, you know, it still, if you're going to offer that to the masses, the technology has to advance so that everybody can afford it. But that's just me. So, yeah, a lot of my web pages that I work on, less than 5 pages. Like, I do have 2 churches in my area that I work on, and one is more than 5, and another one is less than 5. So, but yeah. So, what do I have in store for you all today? Oh, I have so much, so much. I'm very excited about this. And in fact, I did all day research yesterday because number one, I believe in this product. I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by the product that I will be talking about today. And that product is, hold on just a second, let me prepare this. Am I even on the home page? No. Let's go to the home page. Is that the home page? Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. So back in the day when this product came out, which was unlimited elements, I was still hand coding websites. I mean, I wouldn't say hand coding websites. I had stopped hand coding websites and I was still hand coding themes. And so I saw this product, and actually a friend suggested it. Hey, look at this. You can build your own plugins. Not your own plugins, your own widgets for Elementor. I said, what? So I looked at this product and had just come on the radar screen. Hold on just a second. I am having an OCD moment. Is it this way? Am I going to do it right? Yes. Okay. I have to fix my camera because that's the way I want it. Okay, there we go. So I saw this unlimited elements and I was hand coding, I started out in the universe as HTML and CSS, teaching myself how to do it. And so when this widget came along and you could copy HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and create your own widgets in Elementor, I said, sign me up. And I found that this product, for me, would be something that I would like to invest in unlimitedly. So I did. And it has grown leaps and bounds through the years. And the gentleman that probably single-handedly runs this is this guy, Amit. And he's known in the interwebs. And I liked his videos. He made it simple for anybody to use. And he is the founder of Unlimited Elements. And he shares the wealth. When he makes these widgets for Elementor, he offers a lot for free. He's very balanced in what he offers for free and the pro versions of his plugin. So that's what I really, really like. And yes, we have to share the love. Amit is a good guy. Yes, he is. Most definitely. So what I'm going to offer you today is something that they have offered, new as of this week. I got an email announcement. And let me see. Let me go back to the home page. And is it still here? Let me go to the widgets one more time. Let me go back to the widgets and let's just, let's do a free one. Free. Nope. Icons free. Let me choose one. Post widgets. Nope, we're not going to go there. WooCommerce. Nope, keep going. Market. Nope, that one's simple. Yeah, I should have planned ahead on this, but we are just going to keep on going. Remote control widgets. Okay, so what am I talking about here? I'm talking about their new feature, but I don't see it. Why is it not offered? Am I in the right browser? Yes. Okay. So, do they have multiple copies of their? I'm having a problem. I'm sorry. So, widget creator. Okay, here we go. Live copy and paste. This is what they have revealed. Live copy and paste. Obviously, it is a section on their website because each section, if you notice above my head, there's this orange button, copy. What does this mean? Oh, you can copy the styles of his widgets and paste them into your projects. Yes, woo, hey, that gives you a shiver down your spine, doesn't it? So that's what I'm going to show you today, is how you can, what they did, what they, as in Amit and his team did, they created this plugin called Doubly. Let me just double check that because I may have that wrong. Doubly Pro. See, I watched the tutorial video and it says we created this plugin, so I'm going to assume that until somebody tells me otherwise. Because there's nothing in the footer of the web page, and I'm thinking it was. See, it just says Doubly Pro. So anyway, yesterday, what did I do? I already have the unlimited version of Unlimited Elements. Yes. Unlimited Elements. I have the unlimited version. So what did I do? I bought the Doubly Pro version. Why? Because I felt like it. Because it might be the new best thing. And so I'm going to, on my website, I offer a couple JSON files that you can download. I'm going to now offer these, let me see, let me go back. Where was I? Bloop, nope, bloop, yes, here we are. I'm going to offer these copy buttons because you know me. I like to build things and I like to offer things for people and help them out because that's just who I am. I'm sort of like Amit right here. He and I have a lot in common. It was hard for him to learn in the classroom. Ding, 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 ding. I had a problem in the classroom too. And then right down here at the bottom, it says he has a brilliant team. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And he has a love for the WordPress community. He has a love for the Elementor community, just like I do. Where is his quote? I think I passed it. I think his quote was up here at the top. Do something you love so much that you don't even notice time is going by and you're patient about and makes you excited. Well, let's join the club because that's where I am right now. Okay, so Doubly has a pro version, but it also has a free version. Okay, right. Mia is here and she is a new person to the stream and the channel. Thank you so much, Mia. Appreciate it. So we're talking about geeky things and I forgot to turn on my geek. Because normally I teach tutorials for beginners and intermediates. We're kind of in the intermediate and advanced department, especially when it comes to writing HTML and CSS. Woo! The thumbs are popping, baby. I love it. So yeah, I have to put my geek on up there to warn my audience that this is advanced stuff. So, to recap, I have purchased for my own self, the Unlimited Elements plugin. And they released this new thing called Live Copy Paste on their widgets so that you can copy and paste it right into your project. And you're saying, Catherine, how does that work? Please show us how. Okay, so what I have to do is, see, you can copy. I can grab this live copy paste right here. This whole thing, the images, the background image, the colors. Just let your mind wander and let it explode, because mine did yesterday when I realized that this copy paste was available. Why? Because, yeah. All right, so there's Doubly Pro. Oh, by the way, hey, let's turn on the big fat circle. There is an early adopter coupon for Doubly Pro. If you would like it, it is good for another 5 days, 20 hours, 19 minutes, and 13 seconds. Should you want to get Doubly Pro, I did that yesterday, all by myself. Nobody had to coerce me to do it. I did it all by myself. Skating's here. Thank you, Jimmy. All right, so we're talking about unlimited elements. We're talking about their new copy-paste feature and their new plugin called Doubly. I'm pretty sure that they created it. So two things. You can download and install unlimited elements free because it is in the WordPress library. Doubly free is in the WordPress library. So if you would like to wander there and download those two plugins real quick and follow along with me, you probably can only download and copy and paste the free things because you have to have the pro version to get the pro widgets. So I have all the pro things installed, so let's get started. So let's go back to the widgets. And let's go just to, let's go easy, and then we'll go to the hard stuff. All right, so this is a wonderful and lovely little thing with icons and all that going on. Let's copy that. All righty, I'm going to hit copy. All righty. So once you install Doubly and unlimited elements, you would think that if you went to the back end or the editing version of a page, you could then, oh look, this was the tutorial I did yesterday, but you would think that you would just come in here and paste. Doesn't work like that, okay? So you have to actually go to the rendered front end side of your website. And something's not working. Okay, hold on just a second. Because the buttons aren't there. Okay, plugins. Let's go to the plugins. I'm supposed to be oh, because I didn't activate. You know what? I didn't install Doubly Pro. Okay, well, let's just activate it right now. That's what I forgot to. Yeah, you have Doubly license. Okay, thank you. Is it the free or pro version? I don't know. No, it's the free version because it's offering me pricing. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. And let's go to the front page and hit a hard refresh, Command-Shift-R. Sorry, y'all, I didn't have the plug-in. But notice, right up here, we have a copy and we have a paste button. Okay? So I already copied from Unlimited Elements page this timeline thing with the copy. So I hit the copy button, and now I'm going to go to the front end of the site, and that's where these copy paste buttons are. So I'm going to hit the paste button, and I'm going to Command V, paste the code. All right, now it says, where do you want to put this section? Look at this, look at this. This is awesome. I love it. Well, I want to put it after this section, so I'm going to hit paste section here. Doobie doobie doo. It does its wonderful thing. Here it comes. Bam. There it be. That is the same thing that was on this page. Bloom, that just explodes my brain. Yes, it does. I love it. I want more of it. Yes, I do. This is what makes me happy. This is what makes my heart sing. Technology that does wonderful things. So you're saying, okay, it's on the front end. So I'm going to go back to it's not here. Hold your horses. Command-Shift-R. Hard refresh. And it will be there. And you don't have to save the page. See, down here, update. It ain't green. You just do a hard refresh, and it's there. Now you can edit it to your heart's desire. Because it's got all of the edit timeline bullet. So yeah, let's look at the items. Let's look at resources. Let's look at the icon. Let's go to the style. Do you want it purple? No. Let's make it another color. Okay, let's make it red, like fire engine red. Okay, There we go. And what do you want the border color? Hey, let's make it another fire engine red. And so you can take this, let's just make it a little, let's make it a little darker. Okay, like that. So look at that. That's just a beautiful thing. Boys and girls, I'm sorry. That makes my heart sing. That you just copy and paste, and there it is. So there's none of this search in, where is it, I don't know. And I've made a change, so I'm going to have to come down here and update. All right, so I find that amazing. So let me just go into this site and see if I have any blog posts. Yes, I do. Okay, so now we're going to get dynamic with it. Yes, we are. So let's go to Unlimited Elements, and we're going to go to the widgets. And let's go back to something that has to do with blog posts. Post widget. Okay, here we go. La 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 la. Let's go post grid. It's a pro feature. Well, let's go a free one because not everybody can purchase the pro version. Let's go this post list in the pill form. This looks pretty. All right, so let's use this. Where is it? Where is it? Come on. Post list demo. Here we go. Widget settings. Okay, hold on. Give me something good. Okay, come on, come on. So many things to choose from. So many things. So many different styles to choose from. The mind just explodes. Okay, so let's go. I don't have WooCommerce products. Infinite scroll. Don't have an infinite amount of things. So we're just going to do display any number of columns. Okay, here we go. We're going to copy this one. I hope it works. So I hope it works as in for my content that I have on my site. Okay, I've just copied it. I'm going to go to the front end of the web page. Why? Because the paste button is there. And I'm going to hit paste. And I'm going to hit Command V to put that code in there. Now it says choose place where you want it to go. All right, we're going to put it right here. Bang. Boing. Here it comes, refreshing the page, and there it is. How do we know it worked, boys and girls? Because I have food in my blog post. Green bean casserole, red beans and rice, red velvet cake, and macaroni and cheese, which is different from these posts. So it pulled in my information with bada bing, bada boom, it's there. Amazing. And if you don't like all of the content, well, no big deal. We'll come over to our website in the back end, and I'm going to hit Command-Shift-R, hard refresh, Control-Shift-R if you're on Windows, and bada bing, there it is. Okay, so if we don't like the background, no worries, we can change it. Note, this is a great big huge note, so I'm going to put myself front and center. So I've tested this on containers. It wasn't working real well, so it's not 100% ready for containers yet. So this website I'm using it on is with sections and columns. Just want to let you know that front and center, it's important. All right, let's go back. Because I was getting weird things and it wasn't working right. So he's obviously working in the process to make sure that containers will work. So I made sure that I did all my testing on columns and sections. So I'm going to just remove this, and I'm going to remove this. See, now it's all editable. So if I decide to come in to this post grid and style it up, and I decide that the item background is not sexy enough for me, I can, let's do this. Saying you like the background, but you want a little bit more, I don't know, something like this. And then we'll have to change the, just a little bit of purple right there. And then we'll have to change the content, color, title, category, additional data. Would that be additional data? Don't know. Text. There we go. Text. Let's make it white or black. There we go. And let's say, for example, the image. What if we wanted a border? Can we add a border? No, it doesn't look like. Doesn't look like it. Darn. Well, you know what we could do, boys and girls? We could go in and add a border. But I'm not going to do that because that's a hot mess. I could be diving into something that's got jagged rocks and 2 feet of water, and I don't want to dive in there. Okay. So, yes, if you wanted to make the title typography bigger, can we do that? Item, yes, I think so. Here we go, 16. Ooh, there it is. Green bean casserole. Make it bigger, baby. And text, yes. Go to typography and 12. Let's go 14. There we go. Lovely. So if I update that, that's just, y'all, that's just a beautiful thing. Absolutely. Copy, paste, you're ready to go. Make some changes, and Bob's your uncle. Wonderful. I have 6 people watching right now. Howdy, y'all. So yeah, I did change the background images. Sorry, I don't have green bean casserole or red beans and rice. So yeah, that's just a wonderful and lovely thing. And I've only been here for 20 minutes and it feels like an hour. What else can we do? What other widgets can we choose? I mean, the sky's the limit. I mean, he's got creative widgets, icon tabs. Oh, I like icon tabs. Excuse me just a moment. Alrighty. Icon tab demo. Vertical icon tabs. Icon tab demo. Yep, all kinds of icon tabs. Ooh, I like this one because it's pretty. See, that one doesn't look like a tab. I wouldn't know to click on that one, but that's just me. So let's go to, well, see that one's, this one is the same as this one, but it's just styled differently. Like this one is styled differently. So let's copy this one. It's copied. We'll go to the front end of the page. Why? Because the paste button's there. And I'll Command V, the actual code, and then choose a place to paste it. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Boom. There it is. Ain't that a pretty? It's just so pretty. Let's edit it, boys and girls. Okay. Let's go to the back end. Hit a hard refresh, Command-Shift-R. Is your mind blown yet? Please chat in the chitty chat of the comments and just tell me your mind is blown. All right. So let me get the pointer off because that's annoying. Icon tabs demo. We'll just get rid of that and we'll get rid of this. And let's say that I want this column, yes, edit the column. I want it to be wider, bigger. Let's see, where are we going here? We have to go to the section. Aha, yeah, there we go. There we go, now we can make it bigger. Bigger. All right, and go to the layout, okay, glider structure. Oh, the section. I got to click on the widget itself. Items. We can just go bang, bang, and add more items, more products, more features, more services. And then we can go back to said style and make it wider. Woo! And then the next question is, can you add a photograph? Inquiring minds want to know. we have to go back to the item itself, edit the tab, items. Let's see here. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way just because it's quick and easy. Yep. It do be working, boys and girls. Hey, hey. It makes the heart sing. Bloop. It's kind of like, not quite right. But we're close. I'm sure that you could, hey, let's do this. Hold on just a second. Content type, text. Ooh, hey, see? That was my next question right there. Can you add a template? Oh, but yes, you can. A template inside of the tab. That was the next advanced question. Can you add a tab, template? Yep. Well, how do you do that? Well, okay, let's just do that little demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here. I'm going to add a new section. And let's just do 50-50. And we'll just add an image because I'm curious as to see whether it'll work or not. Okay. I'm sure it will. It always does. Okay, we're going to add an image, and then we're going to put in here a title, and we're just going to grab a text editor. Hey, puppy, get in there. And we're just going to copy this, copy, and we're just going to space paste. Okay. All right, and then we're going to go right click, and I'm going to say, let's do this. Hold on just a second. Smaller image. That works for me. And let's do this. Let's squeeze this down. Yep. And then we're going to right click, edit section. Oh, sorry. Edit, save as template. We're just going to call this coffee tab because that was the tab that had the coffee cup on it. Okay, so I'll know later to get rid of this. All right. Am I missing? Nobody's chatting. They're just amazed. You're speechless. Have nothing to say. It's just amazing. Okay, there's the coffee tab. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into this tab right here. Come on, puppy. Items. All right, number 1. Let's get rid of the image just like that. Okay. So content type is text editor. No, we wanted a template. No template selected. No template selected. Template. Template. What? Am I missing something? Template. I thought that was going to work. Oops. What kind of template? Single post, archive, and header. No template selected. No template selected. Well, I want to select one. All right, let's do this. Let's go back to the text editor. Let's go to text. We're going to do it the old-fashioned way. You just wait. I'm going to get you and your little dog too. All right, let me go back to posts and let me go to template, saved templates. Yes. We're going to do it the shortcode method. See, there's more than one way to do this. Copy. All right, let's go back to here, and we're going to do that. Boom, boom. Happy dance, happy dance. That's how you do the happy dance. Yes, sirree, Bob. You just copy and paste that shortcode in there. Wow, wee puppy. That's fascinating. So yes, you can. Copy and paste that in there with a template. I don't understand this template. Why would you in there? Hold on, let's just go back to this because I'm not quite understanding this template feature. Items. 1. This template. Did it need to, yeah. Why would you put a single post template in a tab? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you want to? Well, I can understand the archive template. I can understand that, but not a header or a footer. But it makes no difference. It makes no difference. We're going to go back to text editor and put that. We're going to put that in there. What y'all think? Mia is amazed, and she's loving it. Yes. Amazed, amazed. I wish that I could build one for you. Like actually manually build HTML and CSS. But there's this feature that, not this feature, but it's the process of making your own widget that I tend to fumble upon each time. And in the description of this live video, there are some links I've posted. I've posted a freebie link for unlimited elements that goes to the library or the web page, I'm not sure. It goes to the free WordPress library Doubly. And also in there, I put a link in the description for a MIT explaining how you build a widget with HTML and CSS. So hold on just a second. I think I saved that. If I didn't, this is a new plugin I've got in on my computer. Oh, look at all that. Let me hold on just a second. Okay. Let me go here. Nope. All right. Nope. All right. Nope, I didn't get it. But it is in the description. The video. So anyway, I've got this new piece of software that I'm using. It's called Paste. It's an app for Mac. So why don't we just switch gears? Because I don't know where else to go with this tutorial I'm doing right now. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to go back here. There we go. So that I can clean up some stuff. Yep. So what y'all got to say? It's let's have a conversation. What did you think about that demonstration? I think it's amazing. I mean, I've had unlimited elements for 2-ish years. And I just, when I saw the plugin, I said, that's just something I got, it's one of those, that might come in handy in the future. And so I purchased it with my own money. And Amit, let me tell you something, Amit. You are the man. You offer so much to the community. Thumbs up. And offering so much free stuff and so many different designs. This next step with that copy paste feature is just awesome. Totally awesome. So let's see. Oh, we have somebody from Chile. All right, Jamie is here. There's Jamie. Welcome. Nice to see ya. So this new app I'm using. Let me come over here and let me do this. Hold on. All right, nothing's on the screen, blank screen. All right, I'm on the right screen. There is this app called Paste. It's an Mac thing. And when I click it on or click it off, it shows or hides. It's kind of like the menu bar or this bar right there. It's just an extra one. Those are all my apps. And this one is Paste. And so there's a keyboard shortcut that makes it work too, called Command-Shift-V. And these are things that I have copied. And once you copy it, it pastes it in this this little tray. And like, for example, I have a category called EleWebDev, and there's my YouTube channel. And if you wanted to go to that website very quickly, I'm going to hit Command 0. And it probably didn't work. Of course not. It's a link. Oh, Command 1. Hold on. No, Command 1 copies the link. Let's try that again. See, I just started using this week, and I have not remembered the keyboard. Is it Command O? Yes, O as in open. Sorry. 0, O. And so there's all my analytics, and that's great for my YouTube channel. And you don't need to see that either. And help! I panic. Oh, I panic. So, Elementor. If I hit Command O, not Command 0, it opens up unlimited elements. I tickle myself sometimes when I panic. You know, that little girl comes out, it's like, no, 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 don't show that. So yeah, Command O, and it is paste. Paste. And it's, you know, you got clipboard history, useful links, and you can categorize. You can add another category. And it gives you little colors on the tabs right there, circle, and make it big. You can make your own groups, you know, stuff, websites, whatever. And I just love that app called Paste. All right, we're going to get rid of that. How do you get rid of it? Right click and delete. There we go. You can change the color and you can rename it. Woohoo! All right, we're going to delete it because I don't need another. So yeah, Command Shift V makes it hide and makes it show. Woo! All right, that's wonderful. So I'm using that this week to get myself, see if it's an app that I can use in my daily workflow. So, you know, I predicted that I was going to be on for 2 hours, and look at this. I feel like I've been on for 2 hours, and it's only been 45 minutes. 42 minutes, rather. So, yeah. What do we want to talk about? Everybody's probably multitasking, working, doing something, and I'm just in the background. But yeah, I wanted to show you all about the copy and paste feature with Doubly. Doubly. Hold on, let me show my screen now. You can't see what I'm talking about. And it looks like Amit created this Doubly and works with all of his stuff on unlimited elements, where you just hit the copy and paste button. It's just a wonderful thing. And I'm probably going to be using more unlimited elements. It's been there, I have it, and I just haven't used it. But he's just made it a wonderful thing with these copy-paste buttons. And it is a widget creator. You can create your own widgets, which is a wonderful thing. So let's go inside. Yes, let's go in and take a look at the widgets. So for example, if I go to the widgets, I'm just curious. Yes, so when you copy and paste, it makes it an active, right down here. Hold on, circle. There you are, I turned you off. It makes it an active widget in here. So it doesn't, the only time you download, when you copy and paste, then it installs it. Nothing else is installed unless you download it or copy and paste it into here. You don't need unlimited elements to use Doubly. Well, in this case, you do. And I wrote the support for, unlimited elements, because I wanted to actually create things and offer them to my my Elementor EleWebDev community and make some designs and add the copy button to the side of it and say, if you would like to copy this, use this free plugin, and you can copy and paste it into your websites. Because of course, I'm the geek, and I'm always going to, how do I make this work? How can I offer this to my community? So they wrote back, but I haven't read the message. But yes, in this case with unlimited elements, you're going to need unlimited elements and Doubly to make this whole ecosystem work for you. So yes, I think that is correct skating. But if you want to, so then, see, here's the deal about that. There's no way that I could use Doubly. All right, hold on just a second. Because there's something you have to activate. You have to activate the copy button. Hold on just a second. You're making my brain go somewhere, Jimmy. Hold on. So let me go to the front end, because there's this copy button, right? Right? We see it. I see it. You see it. We all see it. Okay. Let me just create something real quick. Let me go to the back end and let me just have fun here just for a moment. Oh, let's copy this one. Let's copy this thing right here that I created yesterday in my YouTube video. All right, so let's go to the front end. All right, here I am. I'm going to hit the copy button. I haven't done this. This is new, so I could crash and burn right here. But let's copy. All right. Yeah. All right, I'm looking. Copy page. No. Copy page. Nope. Take my breath away. Look, you can copy it. Oh my word. Look, my brain just exploded. I'm going to copy it. Section copied. So let's go to pages and let's go sample page, shall we? Okay. Now remember, you can't use this in the editing stage. You have to go to the previewing stage. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to hit preview. Oh, I'm getting excited. Paste. Command V. You have to hit Command V. And then where do you want it to show up? Right here. Doobie 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 doo. Hey. Oh, y'all, my 5-year-old is activated. I'm sorry if I'm acting like an idiot, but that's just the geek and the child having a party. I love it, and I want more of it. Oh, wow. That's nice. That is just technology like that just absolutely makes my heart sing. Yes, it does. So, what does that mean, boys and girls? I'm going to be offering things for you. Yes, I'm just going to be building and having fun. And if you want this little feature over there, right up there, the thing that I created yesterday, I'm going to put that on my website. So you can copy and paste it and use it in your projects. That's beautiful. I love it. Yes. So I actually have a domain. Hold on just a second. Let me check. We'll have a chit chat. How many of you are domain hoarders? There needs to be an AA group for domain hoarders. So yes, I have lots of domains. Let me see if it's still activated. If it's still one that I actually have. And I might just build a website. Yes, I have 1 month left on that one. It's called Ele Design Bits. That's one I've just put in my pocket. Ele Design Bits. I have 1 month left. I've got 2 months left for elesections.com. Might use that one too. Yes, I have some others as well. Ele Blocks. Got that one. Eleblocks.com. So, yeah, this girl might have a fun project on her hands. Mia raised her hand. Okay, we need a support group for domain hoarders. Yes, okay. How many do I have? Oh, Lord have mercy. I don't even know. Does it say? I don't even think it says. I'm scrolling, y'all. I just keep on scrolling. I'm looking at probably 25. Yeah, about 25 of them. Jamie, sorry. I saw the J and then my subconscious brain took over. Please incorporate what's that word? Can you try that again for that last word? Because that doesn't look like something I understand. That may have been a blah, blah, blah with your keyboard, because I don't. Try again, Jamie. I'd love to know what you would like me to incorporate. I'll wait. Oh, you speak Spanish. Okay. I'm uno año español en la escuela, por favor. I know very little. Pequeño. I took 1 year in Spanish in high school twice because I had to. Subtitles. Please incorporate subtitles. Oh, you want me to turn them on? Okay, let me see if I can do that. Alrighty. Is there like a switch? Emron, help me here. Is there something that I can turn on in my stream to have subtitles? Because I don't know that that is an option. There's 7 people. Excellent stream. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at my channel. Go to my channel. All right. I need to go to my studio. And I know to get to. I need to go to my content. I need to go live. And I need to go edit the details of this. Hold on just a second. Options. Nope. Oh, there we are. It's the setting of YouTube. Okay, I'm looking at the video details of this live stream right now. Where do I find said turn on closed caption? Okay, comments and ratings, category, sampling, record date and location. Okay, language, English, stream, language, title and description, language. Okay, I'm at the language and captions certification. Do you want me to change the stream language to Spanish? Because I can. But I don't think that works. I think there'll be a confliction. But I don't know how to turn on subtitles. Subtitles in English, please. Are the subtitles not even working? See, I can't see that, so you're going to have to communicate that to me. Because I want to help you out. I don't like to leave people in subtitles. Your video is currently processing. Please check back later. Hold on, let me hit the... I can't click it. I don't know how to turn it on. I guess when the video is finished and YouTube does its thing, then Spanish might be an option on the replay. That's all I know personally. Link. I have links turned off. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's try this. Send an email there. And let's hope and pray I can get there. It might be something you have to do beforehand. Okay, send me the link that you tried to send me in the chat, which I turned off links ahead of time. I knew that for my channel. So let me go back to my thing. Here it is. Okay, so details. Okay, customization. Let me click customization. Live chat replay, subscribers, slow motion. That's all I have. Subscribers are the only ones who can send messages. Okay. Hey, Andrew. You're okay. You're going to enjoy the replay. That's all I'm going to say. Your mind will be blown, and your 5-year-old geek will come out and just scream like a little girl. Yes, it will, like I did. So please enjoy the replay. Please enjoy the replay. All right, so Jimmy's sending me an email, so I got to go check that out. Yeah. Okay, yep. We're all right. I'm okay. Are you okay? I'm okay. I just have to double check sometimes. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm trying to get to my email. That's what I'm trying to do. I don't see your email yet. The question is, the info at EleWebDev.com, did I forward that to my Gmail account? Okay, that's all right. Let's just go on an investigation hunt, and yeah, gotta find it. All right, so we're gonna do this. Yes, we are. We're just gonna go. La 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 la. Talk amongst yourselves. I'm gonna go try to find that email. Oh, goodness gracious. What? Hold on just a second. SiteGround CDN. What? Enhance your website performance for your international visitors with our in-house developed CDN service, uniquely built for maximum performance of our clients' websites. Faster page loading for international visitors. Easy CDN setup in a click. I'm going to have to check that out. Hold on a second, y'all. What's this? I went to sign in. Excuse me, I have to reject the cookies. Did I not pay attention to this? Obviously, they're advertising it, so it must be new. What are the benefits of the SiteGround? And is it an extra added cost? That's my next question. Or is it free for everybody? We are excited to announce the SiteGround CDN is out of its beta period and is now officially available. All customers. Oh, hey, yes, but is it an extra added price tag? Question. Thousands of our beta. Multiple locations in 4 continents. No configuration and easy management. Yep. See, this was what I was waiting for. Free and premium. Based on your website's needs. Thank you. Find out more about the 2 plans in the following sections. The free. If you choose the free plan, you can take advantage of the following functions completely free of charge. CDN activation for primary domains with just 1 click. Caching of your website's static content on CDN servers. 10 gigabyte bandwidth traffic per month. Immediate initiation of purge and development mode for testing things. Alrighty. Premium for a price. Alright. How do we get started? Okay. You can switch from free to the pro. Purchase premium, client area, marketplace, hosting services. Currently available with 50% off for the first 12 months, starting from, and I guess how much throughput, bandwidth you're going to buy. If you would like to use the SiteGround CDN, keep in mind that you cannot use it simultaneously or in combination with another CDN, like Cloudflare. Possibly. To be able to utilize a CDN service, you need to be using our centralized DNS as well. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Has anybody used this? Sorry, squirrel syndrome. Major off-road right now. Oh, Mia, I'd like to know. Going to look into your community later. Okay. So, yes, Mia wants to know a little bit about myself. Okay, I'll give you the less than 5-minute origin story pitch. So, when I was 11 years old, my dad brought home a computer. End of story. No, I'm kidding. Here, let's do this. So yes, I will multitask, and if I'll try to tell my story at the same time. So yeah, my dad brought home a computer that he won in a raffle. And yes, I can't do two things at once and try to have a conversation. So he brought home this computer that he thought was a child's toy. And I was 11, 12 years old. This was when I was having really hard times in the classroom. And I was going to a private school at the time. And the private school said, Catherine has educational needs we can't provide. We suggest you go to the public schools. So, yeah. And somebody said I was stupid. And then I got a problem with it. Anyway, I'm over that now. Because my mother saw the genius in me the day my dad brought home that computer. This might be the 15-minute version of this story. But at any rate, so the computer was sat down in front of me. I sat down in front of it, and my dad plugged it up in front of the TV. And I started typing things on the screen. You know, it said, type this. And boom, stuff was coming up on the screen. And I said, woohoo, this is fun. And just a second, let me get here. Site tools, okay. And so I started email. Here we go. There we go. I'm getting the account. There we go. All right. I want to check the mail. Hold on. I'm going to finish the story. Hold on. Mail configuration. I want to log in. Now, I don't want to create a new mail. Account name. Click. Actions. I don't know how to get my email. I'm sorry, Jimmy. Okay, thank you. Pause on the live story. In live chat settings. Okay, hold on just a moment. Stream. Okay, live chat settings. Okay, let me go back to the channel. I'm in the customization. I'm in the stream customization. Is that not where I need to be? In the stream details. Stream details. In live chat settings. I'm in customization. Okay, hold on just a second. So I'm going to go back to the settings of my channel. Channel, permissions, community, agreements, channel. Advanced settings, feature, I'm in the wrong place. I can feel it. I can feel I'm in the wrong place. Permissions. Manage permissions, community. Automated filters. Hidden. What is this? Live redirects. Nope, blocked links. Yes, okay, creator demographics. I'm in the wrong place. I can feel it. Okay. So, I don't know where I'm supposed to be. I'm in my live channel content. Talk to me. I'm trying so hard, Jamie, to help you out. And I want to make it an option. in live chat settings. Where are live chat settings? I don't know where the live chat settings are. I'm going to go to my account, your channel. I'm going to my channel. Okay. Customize channel, manage videos. Library, history, premium, gaming, live. Oh, more from YouTube. Nope. That's making me go away from my own channel. Customize channel. Shall I customize the channel? I'll hit the button. Channel customizations, layout. I don't think this is right either. Okay, get out of here. Dashboard. I'm at the dashboard. Tell me where to go from the dashboard. Okay, yes, okay. Trouble with latency, blah, 30 second delay, all good. Stream settings. Boo-boo, I don't know where that is. Stream settings. I don't know where that is. Stream settings, next door to analytics. Okay, I'm going into analytics. Above analytics, hold on, let's just do this. This is just going to solve the problem. Okay. Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. Do I go here? Settings? Stream settings next door to analytics. Well, see, there's analytics. Doobie-doo. Doobie-doo. Stream settings. I don't know where the stream settings are. Well, therein lies the problem. I can't get to my email. Hold on just a second. Let me see if I can get my email. Hold on just a second. I logged in to get the email. Forwarders. Let me just check to see if it forwards. Info. Oh, there it is. Okay, hold on just a second. All right. I have to check my phone. Why? Because I don't have email on this machine. Why? Because I'm crazy. Checking email. Oh, Lord, here we go. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to get back there to that screen capture you sent me. How do I get there? How do I get there? I was there a little while ago. The studio. The studio. How do I get to the studio? That's the main problem. Top right. Top right. Okay, I was on this channel, top right. I'm already going live. Hold on. Let me just show you this screen. Here. Right here. Is that what you're talking about? I'm already going live. This is going to be a 2-hour session. I had already predicted that it was going to be 2 hours. Didn't I, Imran? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh, story. Okay, while I'm getting instructions. So where did we leave off? Oh, I was using the computer, plugged it in, and my mom saw the genius because I had the manual open, and I was typing what I was seeing on the pages. Poof, things were shown on the screen. Poof, things were shown on the screen. And the geek just was initiated at that point. And so later that day, I was doing some of the examples in the book. You don't need to see that. And I got bored because I wanted to do something more advanced because the geek was bubbling up. And I flipped to the back of the book. And the back of the book had XY coordinates, color codes, and it said, here's how you write the code in order to get color codes, boxes of color on the screen. Here's how you rotate the colors, disco ball. They, do different random colors. And so it said, you know, it's easy to do this with graph paper. So I went to my mom and I said, hey, Mom, I need graph paper. Now, this is the same child that asked, you have to be in the bit where you said edit. Normally you can click the bit right where. I have no idea what you're talking about, Web Squadron. Imran, you have to be in the bit where you have to set the edit. I'm sorry. Normally you can click the bit in the top right where you can re-enter the live chat. Hold on just a second. See, no. What is this? That's the chat. All right, but anyway, I'll go to the story and I'll try to talk through to get there. I don't want to upload a video. Studio. Hold on. Let's just Google it. Maybe I can get there. YouTube Studio. I am growing a brain right in front of you. YouTube Studio. Hold on. YouTube. Your account. Appearance. Your channel. See, boo-boo, I'm still not getting here. Audio library, settings, content. Bloop. There's got to be a button. But anyway, go to content, then go to live, then click edit. Okay, hold on. Go to content. Okay, content. I'm on content tab. Yes. Then go live. Okay, I'm going live. Then click edit. Edit. The pencil, I'm going to assume the pencil. Details. View in live control room. There we are. That's how you get it. Okay. I'm at the black screen. All right. Here we are. There we go. Okay. Edit. Here. Okay, I'm going to hit edit. Okay, details. Public, category, education, thumbnail, playlists, audience, paid promotion, automatic chapters, language. Stream language is English. Title and description is English. Recording date. I'll change that to today. License, comments and ratings, hold potentially inappropriate comments. Boo-boo, I don't see anything that says the language of the stream. And the words showing up on the bottom of the page. I'm not seeing it. Okay, I'm going to click on Customize. Live chat, library subscribers, message delay. Captions. Show your screen again. Okay, hold on. Let me go to details. Let me scroll up to the top and go. I'm editing the settings of this stream. The visibility is public. Restrictions are none. Category is English. Thumbnail, playlists, audience, paid promotion, automatic chapters. Yep, stream settings now. Stream settings. What stream settings? Language. License. Comments and rating. I don't see anything about closed caption. Customization. Live chat. Subscribers, 2 days. Slow-mo, that's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. I'm going to hit save. Okay. Stream health, stream settings. Oh, look. Okay. Oh, hey, look out. Oh, you're not supposed to see that. Okay, hold on. Let me switch. Oh, you didn't see the key anyway. All right, hold on. Closed captions. It's grayed out. It's grayed out. Hold on just a second. Let me do this. Right here. Closed captions. I don't have the option. What has to be turned on in order to use that? Yep. Cancel that and go to the far left and you'll see stream settings. Okay? Yep, stream settings. Blah, 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 blah. Normal latency. I'm on normal latency. Close that, cancel that, and go to the far left and you'll see stream settings. Stream settings. I'm on stream settings. Yep, that one. Okay, stream key. Freaked out because I thought you were going to see something you shouldn't have seen. But everybody gets the same stream URL. You just can't see the stream key with the dots. That's where you need to be. Okay, so yep, stream URL, copy, copy, copy. Latency, question mark. Let me get rid of that. It is at normal, but I can't change it. It's grayed out. And then select closed captions. It's not available. Stream latency I can't get to, it's grayed out. And closed captions is not an option, it's grayed out as well. We're all trying to help Catherine turn on captions so you can read and follow along. We're getting there, yep. It's a painful process. Yeah, closed captions is not available. And I'll show you. This is grayed out, and closed captions is grayed out. So there's that. I would say that I'm having a problemo. Hold on just a second. I see something. I see something. Let me show you this. Right here. This is a stream key of a live chat that happened not today. I'm trying to click that, but it won't change. So that tells me something. I'm just paranoid. That's why I keep switching. I'm paranoid. So next time. Okay. All right. Sure thing. So obviously you can't change. Of course not. Ding dong. Common sense. You can't change latency when you're in the middle of a stream. Ooh. Okay. All right. So next time I will make sure that I will be able to turn on the closed captions for Jamie to have a better experience. And I want everybody to have a better experience, even if I go crazy in the process. Okay, so what we're going to do is finish talking about my origin story, which Mia, is it Mia? Yes, Mia was asking. So where did I leave off? We left off, hold on just a second. Oh, there we go. I left off where I went to the back of the book. My mother looked at me and said, "Why do you need graph paper?" And again, this is a child that had problems in math, and math is not my friend. I'm so glad that the invention of the calculator has been invented. So I said, I need, this is why I know XY coordinates so very well, because this is what I needed in order to write the code and plot the dots on the screen. And I told my mom, I said, I need graph paper so that I can plot the XY coordinates and write the code to make the dots show up on the screen. And blah, blah. I mean, I went on for at least a minute explaining it to her because the geek was explaining it to her. She stopped me mid-sentence and says, "Ho, we'll get you that graph paper." So both my mom and dad realized that the genius that is this child who has a problem in the classroom can sit down and entertain and educate herself. So I think that next Christmas, I got my first Mac. Yes, it was an Apple IIc. And so that computer pretty much helped me through school because I could sit down by myself in my room and type papers, and there was no internet then. And so, yeah, it was just an operating system. So I was able to focus better. And I come to find out, as in my older age, that I am an all-sensory learner. I have to see it, I have to hear it, I have to use it with my hands, I have to go through the process because I have to immerse myself in it in order to understand it. So that's why typing code, seeing it on the screen, that's kind of how I process. I wouldn't say that I'm a slow person. I have to take it all in. So anyway, that was in 1981 and 2, yes. And so, you know, I use computers, blah, blah, blah. And so went to college. I had an electronic typewriter where it took discs, and I typed my papers in the little operating system, and you hit go and you just start feeding it paper. And so I went to the Savannah College of Art and Design because I needed to be creative. If I couldn't do math and I couldn't do science, I couldn't do English, I scraped by. At least let me be creative. So I went to art school. And then I went to the Savannah College of Art and Design in video because I was interested in video. And so then I came home and worked for a TV station. And it was working at the TV station in 1996 that I went to a Microsoft event. Whew, the geek was loving that. So my mom was given these tickets to this Microsoft event. The person who had the tickets couldn't go, so it's like, would you and Catherine like to go? So we went to the event, and it was like in a huge event place. And so all the Microsoft people were there. The internet had been invented in like 1995. They'd made it public. So 1996, all of the Microsoft in Windows 95, the first GUI interface. So I went to there and saw it, and they showed you what hyperlink was, and it told you what the internet was, and what a web page was, and let me just show you what they did. So let me just go to anything right here, which is an easy thing. So I'm sitting in this event place with lots of people in the room, in the auditorium, great big huge projection on the screen. And the guy goes, so yeah, this is a web page, and so let me show you what it looks like. And he showed that on the screen, and it took my breath away. I said, oh. And I looked at my mom. I said, I want to do that. I want to make web pages. And that was in 1996. And then I proceeded to teach myself HTML and CSS. I bought a book, went to the library, got HTML and CSS books, and so yeah, since 1996, I have been a major geek. And I also started my own business. It's changed its name through the years. It was the Home Computer Tutor. And so I taught my mom how to use a computer, and her friends told her friends, and next thing I know, people were wanting to pay me for teaching them how to use a computer. And the rest is history. So a couple years ago, I changed my name from the Home Computer Tutor because they were asking for like how to set up a router, how to set up a printer, how to plug up a Roku, and then all those other, all those other internet-y products started. So I changed my name to the Home Gadget Guru. And so that's my day job, is I go to people's homes or help them over Zoom to walk them through problems. And I will say this, literally this morning I woke up and I was just flipping through social media, and somebody was on there and said, have you always wanted to help people with computers, blah, 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 blah. Become an Apple Home Advisor. House Advisor, Home Advisor. What was it? An AHA. Yes, an Apple Home Advisor. And I was like, ooh, I could actually work for Apple and help people with, let me just say this. I should have jumped on that bandwagon 2 years ago to help people. So anyway, I clicked links. I went through the whole thing, and basically all of the at-home advisors have already been taken. I think your next door neighbor and your person down the street is an Apple at-home advisor. But instead, I went to the Elementor experts, and I helped people during at the start of 2020 to help them learn Elementor skills. And it went well. I had to turn away a lot of people because they were like, fix it for me, make my site. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, would you like to be educated? And lots of them said, no, I don't want to. I want you to do it for me. And I'm like, no, I don't want to do it for you. I want to teach you. So I have taught older adults computer skills for 20 some odd years. So that's my story. And I have not been watching the chat, and it has flown by. So that's my story. All right. All right. So yes, I will make sure. Here we go. Right here. Post-it note. I will write a note that says, turn on captions before going live. Big L-I-V-E. There it is. This is for my English is not the first language. Turn on captions before going live. All right, Mia is a geek too. Well, you have to be a geek to watch this. Otherwise, you're just like, what is she talking about? What is this unlimited elements? What is she doing? I don't understand. Oh, thank you very much, Mia. Thank you so much. I learned my first HTML code writing on the back side of an envelope in the rear of a car in a parking lot. Yep, we are kindred geek spirits in 1995 and 1996. Yes, you have to have the geek archetype. I could talk about archetypes all day long, but I won't do that. That's my other love, passion, is the mystery of life. Yes, if you have the geek archetype and you look at something like this and you go, ooh, yum, yum, eat 'em up. You could be a geek. You could be a geek. Yes, yes. Y'all, I feel like I've been here all day and it's only been an hour and a half. Wow. Yes, geeks unite. I mean, I remember going to lots of WordPress meetups and even getting training back in the day with Photoshop and Illustrator and Adobe when Dreamweaver was the big thing as a code editor. Dreamweaver, I went to all kinds of trainings to learn Adobe products. I had to drive an hour and a half away in the big city of Charlotte, North Carolina, and get training from a facility, a training facility. We don't have those anymore. It's all on the internet. I love and enjoy those in-person things, but we have a little problem with that these days. So yeah, lots of training. I never learned JavaScript because it looked like algebra and I was afraid of math. And JavaScript looks like algebra in my book and in my mind and in my little child educational problems that runs away from. Yes, Dreamweaver was fun. Oh, and Imran had a crush. Girl had a crush on you, but oh yeah. She was, what is the opposite of a geek? That would be a princess, probably. And you just weren't her knight in shining armor. Someone with, what is that word? Someone with a lot of vanity who doesn't want to take the time and just wants a Prince Charming would probably not take the time to understand a geek. See, I can talk about archetypes all day long. All day long. Oh, everybody's talking about their origin story of how they started coding. Oh, bring it on. All 8 of you, if you can write in the comments if you've been a subscriber for 2 days. Dave Den learned to design a website with Dreamweaver, Fireworks, Flash, and Swishmax in 2007. All right, I love it. I want more of it. So yeah, what are the other things? HTML. Yeah. Yeah, see, if I'm not teaching, I have a hard, I'm sitting here going, yeah. I'm really not the conversationalist when I don't have anything to teach. Oh, goodness. All right. So, yes, I'm going to play more with Doubly. And I may just have fun live creating a website on one of my hoarding domain names. Literally, I have an app on my phone with quick access so that I can, at a glance, find one, buy it, and check to see what I have. So Jimmy started by HTML but could not understand it, so I left it aside, and then I found Dreamweaver, and then stopped to pursue my career, and now he's back to making websites for 6 years. Way to go, Jimmy. Excellent. Oh, funny. Mia asked, do I own a domain with the geek archetype in it? Yes. Lots of it. I actually own EleWebDev.live, but I don't know how to incorporate that. Is that the garbage truck? Yes, it is. The garbage truck is here. Yay. Today is Friday, garbage day. So yeah, I might just, I might do a episodic release of me building a website just for people, beginners to watch. Which one should I use? One of my domains. Ele Design Bits. We'll have a vote. Ele Design Bits, Ele Sections, or No, not that one. I want to do something with Web Agency of One. I was highly surprised that webagencyofone.com was available. I just renewed that one because I said to myself, I need a project to work on to teach people. So I have a website that I've already done. I had to change that. Are you kidding me? It did. Dadgummit. So one of the websites that I should have turned that thing off. Well, it's too late now. I only buy domains that are like $12. And one of them that I have, when I bought it the first year, was $12. And then for the renewal price, because obviously it is a TLD now, top level domain. Yes, I did that right. And it switched over to be $40, $45. And I'm like, whoa, I don't need that one. So I went and found an alternative for it that was $12. And yeah, it auto-renewed. So yeah, now I have two of them of the same name. Oh yes, I have so many geek archetype domains. EleGeek? Don't have EleGeek. Quick, buy it! Hurry, hurry! Who can buy it faster? Home, search. Search. See, I'm going to get it before you will. Boop.com. Hold on, here we go. .com. Search. Is it available? Is it available? Oh, it's taken. Darn. But for $36.98, I can get elegeek.io. Elegeek.tech is $8 a month. I mean a year. Elegeek.me, $4.98. Elegeek.live, $2.98. Elegeek.shop, $1.78. EleGeek Online for $2.88. Yes, you can be the proud owner of those domains. Yeah, Mia just bought EleGeek. So, I really can't think and talk at the same time. I mean, like, multitask and talk at the same time. And the voice is getting a little shaky. So how many of you out there have to have more than one monitor? That would be me. I can't function unless I have more than one monitor. Because once you go with more than one monitor, or one of those gargantuan 43 inchers like I have over there, I tried it. It was actually a reduced price on Amazon. No, actually I paid full price and I got a refurbished one. I have healed that wound and I have moved on. Paid full price for new product, and when it came, the box was open and it had a refurbished sticker on the back. What does that teach you, boys and girls? That teaches you that when you buy a high-priced technological product off of Amazon, you check the distributor of who it's coming from. Yep, but it works. It's perfectly fine, but you wouldn't have noticed it from the box that it came in. That box was holding on for dear life with tape and staples. But I set it up, and I kind of like it. I mean, you know, it's two monitors side by side, one great big huge one. So I went live the other day over there, and I may just do the episodic build the website over there, just to switch it up. You know, here's professional and here's have fun in the corner. use the screen of my laptop and then the 32-inch curved monitor when at my desk. Ooh, yes. And then we've got the, if you're on an Apple, you've got the sidecar, but I don't have my iPad in here. My iPad is what puts me to sleep at night by watching Netflix. Yes, I have finished all of Stranger Things. All of it. All of it. Finished all of it. And I will give no spoiler alerts, but where can you go with a 5th season? That's what I want to know. You got to wrap it up. So let me check something. So if y'all like Pinterest, some people do, some people don't. Pinterest. You have to spell it right. Pinterest. Search Pinterest. Okay, so I have a Pinterest account, and I also hoard ideas off of Pinterest for web ideas. So, if you're interested, let me log in. I'm sure Mia is like, ooh, show me, I want to know. Okay. Okay, where's my stuff? My profile. There's my stuff, all my pins. There we go. So I'll show you this. Yes, I have a lot of pins, boys and girls. Lots and lots and lots of them. I can be here all day. So you're probably wondering what my Pinterest handle is. I will add that to the chat. Let me just double check. Hold on just a second. I like privacy. I'm sorry, I just do. Oh, okay, there it is. Yep. There it is. Awake Cat. And there's my full name. Woohoo! Yep, Awake Cat. Hold on, I gotta get that. At Awake Cat. It is a combination of my first name and last name, if you must know. Backwards and forwards. So that is my internet handle, if you would like to peruse my pins. How many pins? 1,624 of them. Oh, somebody's talking about Scotland. I work laptop at home. Wife has, need to get a summer house and work from there. Yep, everybody needs their geek room. We're coming up on 2 hours. Woohoo! Pinterest is one of the social medias that I just don't manage because I wonder what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Well, I just peruse, and what are my categories? Web design, Elementor, color palettes, footers, headers, wireframes, creative web design, landing pages, other web stuff. And see here, let me just show you this. This is where I got started figuring out how to build stuff in Elementor. I'll share this. Just using, how to put icons, and it's just as simple as this. If you see something you like, somebody's big picture here, let me get my pointer. Somebody's big picture here, a title, that could be a testimonial widget right there. And you just like the way it looks, so let's build it in Elementor. So I see all these different kind of design ideas, and I'm like, ooh, let's incorporate that. Switch it around. So yeah, that's what I do. I look for ideas, and then I try to build it, because I'm a builder. I'm an Elementor builder. That is what I do. Let me go back. So yes, You can peruse all of my 1,000 pins. Pixta's here. Hey, Pixta. What is this? To-dos. Plan to-do notes. To-dos are your board's workspace. You can use them to round up pins you want to try, write a list, or jot down anything else you want to remember. Ooh, this is new. To-dos, or have I missed this? Pixta into place. Yes, Pixta's here. What is this? What is this? I've never, this must be a new feature, or I have completely ignored it. Add your first to-do. All right, let's add a to-do. Add a title. Test. To-do. Now, okay, I'm done. Am I done? Add a pin. Add text. Add a checklist. More. Ooh, what's more? Oh, just delete. You could very easily just put a trash can there. Come on. Why do I have to hit the 3 dots for more? I have a thing with UI. Sorry. Add checklist. I don't want to add a checklist. I want to add a pin. Oh, Lord. Which of my 1,600 pins do I want to add? Who knows? Okay. So I am not accessing all of my 1,600. This is in a category. Good to know. So let me hit done. I don't want to choose one. Okay, thank you. Let's go back out. To-dos. All right, let's go back out. Let's go back up and out to all my pins. Nope. Nope. Presentation design, edit board, sure, edit, archive. Let's go home. Okay. So you have to be in a category, one of your categories. Okay, let's go to my categories. Let's go into the 412 pins of web design. Then you can go in the to-do and first to-do, add a title, to-do, and then we can add a pin from that category. Is that right? Yes, that is true. This is wonderful because then this will give me an idea when I find something I want to add and incorporate into a website, like something like this. Hit done. And if I click this, like I like this section right here with these 3 things and then these 3 things over here. That's an idea. Wonderful and lovely. So that's how that works. Let's see, let me check up with the chat. WebP support on my local XAMPP stopped working. Oh, I feel your pain. Oh, that would make my heart bleed too. But you got it sorted. Excellent. Yay, you got it fixed. Doubly and unlimited add-ons. Yes, I'll close out the next 10 minutes to give Pixta another overview of what we were doing. So if you know Pixta about unlimited elements, it is a wonderful plugin. And you can create your own widgets for Elementor. Or what I did today, they being unlimited elements, have created a new plugin called Doubly. And I decided to purchase on my own choice Doubly Pro because they were having a sale. Yes, they were. Somewhere they were having a sale. Let me go to pricing. Okay. They are having a sale. 1,000 pins. 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 1,0 Yes, they are. But you have to go to Unlimited Elements, and you have to go to Live Copy Paste. Because this is a new feature, Live Copy Paste with Unlimited Elements. And there is a coupon somewhere. Somewhere. There's a coupon. Doubly Pro. There it is. Early adapter. Okay. Unfortunately, somebody spelled adopter wrong. It's adaptor. Maybe they did it on purpose. I don't know. But early adaptor, not adoptor, coupon. And it is good for 5 more days. So if you would like to get Doubly Pro, yes, you can copy and paste WordPress posts. It has WooCommerce products, copy and paste media files, and front-end copy button. I think it already has a front-end copy button. You can now add copy button for website visitors to copy sections from your website. Okay, that's coming soon. I asked for something that's coming soon. Okay, good to know. See? Oh, you can't see. Let me scroll up. See right above my head? There's a copy button. So if I like this section on their website, I can copy it. Would you like a demonstration? Sure, we have 9 minutes left. I can do that. So I'm going to hit this copy button right here. Pow, it's behind me. But I just clicked that copy button. And I'm going to go to my site. Now, you would think that you would go to the back end of the site in the edit, right here, to edit and paste it in there. No. Because I have installed Doubly Pro, and I'm going to paste it in the front side of the preview. So I'm going to hit paste, and I'm going to hit Command V. And now it says, where do you want to put that section? I want to put it right there. Dooby-doo-be-doo, Here it comes, and pow. Where did it go? Did it not come? It didn't come. Where did it go? That was the section I wanted to copy. This one right here. Did I miss it? Yes, I did miss it. Something didn't happen right. Y'all, it broke. Hold on. Let's go back to the widgets. That was a bad example. Let's go to these icon bullets. That was a bad example. Let's go to this. I'm going to hit copy. All right. Then I'm going to go back here. Let me hit a hard refresh. Hard refresh. Always got to do a hard refresh. All right. Now I'm going to hit paste and Command V, and I want it to go right here. Please work. Imported successfully, refreshing. Y'all, it ain't working. Y'all saw it earlier. It was working. What's up with that? I promise it was working. I don't know. I don't understand. Something's not working. Oh, you want to know what? No, that can't be it. I was about to say, it's not working because it's a pro version. Is it a pro plugin? Hold on. I think it was a free one. Because I don't have Doubly Pro installed. And that's a free icon widget. Y'all, I'm sorry. Who picks up? It broke. I don't know why it broke. I know why. This doesn't make any sense. Let's do this. Let's create a new page. Let me go sample page. And let me paste it there. All right. I don't want to go in the header. Right there. No copy data available. Okay, hold on just a second. Maybe that's our problem. Let's go back and copy it. Let's get the sushi. Copying. It's copied. Go back to a new page, sample page, and hit paste and paste. And let's go right here. Please work. Please work. Please. Imported successfully. Refreshing. There it is. Just needed a new page. So now that we have it, we need to go back to the editing section, editing portion of Elementor, and we need to Command-Shift-R, hard refresh, and then it will come in, and it will not be in edit mode. Look down here. It is black, so it's there. So now I can just go right-click and copy and go back to the page that I actually wanted it on, and I can go like right-click, paste. Boop. Ooh, look, y'all, it breaks. You can't just do a copy and paste because it breaks. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. You can't just do a regular copy and paste because obviously it has to do something with the JSON file. One would think. JSON file, and not all of the JSON information came across. Let's go back to the sample page. There's a lot of information in there. Yes, lots of information, and that did not get across to here. So Pix is asking a question, but where do you get the examples from? Copy only of their website. As of right now, yes, until other people allow you to copy their stuff, I think. But what we did earlier was this. Let me go back to this. What I did was, this is one on my website, so this is interior my website. Up here is a copy and paste feature. So you get the copy with Doubly. So for example, if I wanted to copy something in my site and paste it on somebody else's, I would have to have Doubly on both websites. But I can choose which section I want to copy. What is this? Download? Let's just see what happens. I'll come back to the Export Elementor section. We already have that in Elementor, but anyway, I'm curious. I'm going to hit it. Doubly section. Okay. All right. Is it a JSON file? Who knows? Let's find out. Let's save. And let me see what that is. Is it a JSON file? It should be. It should be a... it's a zip file. It's a zip file. So if it is a zip file, hold on just a second. What's inside? Let me double click it. Let me extract. Where did it go? Stuff. Nope. Content. Content 2. It is a text file that says content.txt. And I'm looking at it. Hold on just a second. Let me bring this back over here. When you download it, it looks like a JSON file and a text file. There are P tags. There's some HTML in there. Hover. Animator. It's got oh boy stuff in there. It looks like a JSON file. It does, doesn't it? What do you do with this content? That's odd. Okay, I'm going to have to need an explanation on that one. But at any rate. So yeah, so let's go to an example of this one. Click and copy that. And if I go to another page, I can paste. But again, you have to hit Command V, and then, and only then, can you paste that section. Bloop, there it is. So yeah, and all the animated and lovely things that happen with it. Well, drooling like Homer here. Yes, so hold on just a second. Let me go back. So yes, if you get Doubly and you get unlimited elements, you can go to all of their widgets, all of their categories of widgets, creative widgets, post widgets. With the post widgets, you have to have Elementor Pro and you have to have Doubly Pro. That's the feature they've extracted out that you have to pay for in order to have widgets, because we saw here on Doubly the features. Hold on, frequently asked questions. The features. Use cases, docs supporting. But yeah, here we are. Posts, WooCommerce. To get that stuff, you have to have the pro version of Doubly. So the free version, I'm sure, will just do sections. So yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is 2-hour mark at noon. And I am hungry. It's lunchtime. So I want to thank you all for indulging me with geeky topics today, telling my origin story. Yes. Everyone take care of yourself, and I will chit-chat at you later. Bye now. All right, let me see if this works.